Alright, so I'm going to be switching it up a little bit. Putting the RS on hold tonight. I got to pass inspection tomorrow with this thing. I have no check engine lights, but I got to get my horn working again because the old one rotted right out. Basically fell right off of its mount. So yeah, that's junk. I have this Honda CRV one that I'm going to try to link up, get to work. I got a little ground connection made here. I put here, put a bolt on, and that's the power wire. I also have to get into my steering wheel and take off the airbag because I have to. I changed my airbag clock a little while ago. So I never hooked back up the horn, so I gotta go underneath there, click the horn connection back in, get that all suited up. But you can find the horn underneath the hood. Holy shit, this thing's turbo swapped. Alright, fucking A. I got a review of everything I put in this car. You can find it on my channel if you just browse through. And then again, I'm doing the RS series, which will also be turbo swapping. So these are the horn wires right here. This dark one's ground. This reddish looking one is power, I'm guessing. So yeah, that's where I gotta wire those up to. Alright, I'm gonna grab some tools for the steering wheel and then we'll dive into that. Alright, for the steering wheel, you're going to need a hex bit. The little star looking ones. There's 2 hex screws on each side right here. You just unscrew those and the airbag should come right out. Alright, I got those hex screws off. There goes the airbag. Drop it down just like that. So yeah, here's what I gotta hook up. So this green and black wire right here, let me move that. This green and black wire right here leads to this. So when you push it down, those connect and it completes the horn circuit. So I gotta hook this up right here. Oh, that's why I never did it. Okay. Alright. So I actually have to... This cruise control doesn't work, so I'm not even going to care about this cable. I gotta cut this green and black wire right here. And then... I think it's this green and red one. Possibly. Alright. I gotta dive underneath, look at the connector, see what it is down there. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm underneath the dash right now. This is the plug right here, and it looks like this is all connected. I think what I have to do is get to the steering column to connect it. But this is also disconnected, but this is what the cable looks like. It's these 3 wires. The plug for it is right here. Or sorry, right there. Yeah, I'm gonna plug that in and then take off the underneath the steering column. Alright, yeah, now I'm remembering what I did. So this is the airbag clock. When I bought it, it came off a Legacy, and I had to modify it a little bit, and I accidentally cut these wires. So I have to reconnect these wires. I'm thinking that this black and white is the horn one. So really I only have to do that one. And then I have to come back under here and connect that black and green one to this black and white one, I'm thinking. Yeah, that's why the connectors wouldn't go go together. That makes more sense. So yeah, I'm gonna go get my solder gun and strip these apart, and then I'm gonna do a little research on which one I should connect, even though I can just kind of tag it to each one and see if it works. Yeah, I'll be back when I got some stuff ready. Alright, so I've got those two wires soldered, and then what I did is I took the connector off of this piece, the cruise control and the horn, and I'm just gonna trial and error, plug into different places. I'm probably gonna look up or maybe test with my test light, see which one's a ground, which one's power, and everything. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna do a little research before I do this too, so I'll be back when I have some more info. Alright, actually I didn't even have to do anything at all. I just plugged this green and black into the Legacy's green and red, and I pushed on this thing and I can hear the relay going, so I'm not even gonna do any more than that. I'm just gonna tape these up, tape this up, secure that, tape up these wires, and then we'll go into the hood and install the horn, see if it actually makes a noise. Sweet. Alright, so now that that's all buttoned up and I can hear the relay, hear it going. Alright, so now I'm going to come to the front. I got this all set up. I got my ground wire, power wire. This one is blue and black. I'm still going to guess that it's ground, but if it's not, I'll just switch it around. I'm going to cut these, strip them, and test them out, and we'll see if we can get a sound. Alright, yeah, it works. So I'm going to solder those together, put some shrink tape on them, and I don't know how I'm going to mount it yet. I think I'm just going to kind of stick it in there for now just to pass inspection, but yeah, I'll get it all suited up and then I'll probably end this video. But yeah, that was how to hook up a horn in a Subaru. Oh yeah, that shit's busting. So I just zip tied it to my hose here. Again, it's just temporary so I can pass inspection. Yeah, it's all soldered and everything, because I'm gonna be buying hella horns anyway, so just temporary. But yeah, that's how you hook up a horn in the Subaru, plus a little more going into the steering wheel and doing that wiring. Yeah, so part 3 of the wire harness video should be coming soon. Like and subscribe on this video, and comment anything you want me to make. I'll make any kind of videos you guys are into. But that should be it for today. Have a good one.